Let's take a look at our Geology Lab Kit. This kit has our 3 Made Easy books in it: Fossil ID, Mineral ID, and Rock ID, but it is not an in-depth study of those books. Those books really become reference books for the lab experiments that you're going to do in here. In this kit, you're going to have a Mohs test kit, a biblical geologic column specimens, mineral ID project, a gems and crystals project, several fossil identification projects. This is great matrix that we found on the beach in Florida. Another portion of the fossil ID project where you get to identify what these are exactly that are in here. This is the Rock ID project. There's a cylinder in here that will be used for one of the labs that you do, and then another lab on things relating to fossils. There's some glue that's going to be needed, and then of course the 3 books here in the bottom: Fossil ID, Rock ID, and Mineral ID. The very bottom of the kit here, you're going to see developing your science skills. This is what this lab kit is really designed to help with: developing your interpretive skills and developing your science skills, observation, testing, things like that. Learning the difference between the two, so that you're learning when it comes to geology, you've got to know the difference between what is interpretation and what is the science of what you're discovering in geology. Geology has a lot of suppose this and suppose that in it, and you need to just make sure that you know what is the science, what is not. And so this lab kit is going to help you do that. So the 3 books, all the samples, the different projects, you can order this at northwesttreasuresgeology.com.